Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Elatiri Toffee. Melt butter gently, add condensed milk and sugar, then stir continuously over low heat until a caramel forms. Watch for a deep golden color and a soft ball stage if using a thermometer. Remove from heat, stir in vanilla and nuts, then spread into a lined tray. Cool completely before cutting into pieces and enjoy a chewy, buttery treat with friends and family. Gather your ingredients and set up your workspace to make the cooking step calm and focused. Measure condensed milk, sugar, butter, and optional nuts, and warm your pan so ingredients combine smoothly. Keep a spatula and heat-proof bowl ready for quick transfers when the toffee reaches the right color. Work on a stable surface and have cold water nearby to test doneness if needed. Proper prep makes the cooking step predictable and enjoyable. Control the heat and keep stirring to avoid hot spots and grainy texture in your toffee. Aim for a steady low simmer and reduce heat as color deepens to maintain a glossy, smooth caramel. Use the cooled water test or a candy thermometer to confirm soft ball stage, and move quickly once reached to add flavorings. Pour into the prepared tray and level immediately for even pieces that set properly and taste incredible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.